Wagwan people, wagwan. You see we in the car, you know, we're up on the road. Well, this man we're up on the road still really. First I go pick up a baby pig, a young piglet, for one of my friend them. I just decided to take you guys along the journey and let you guys see this guy's farm and how he's maintaining on a low budget, but he has really nice animals. So people just stay tuned and I'll watch what I go on. It's raining out today. Is that yesterday I'm just going to drive out from my house. Watch the ducks, they enjoy the weather while it's raining. Oh yeah peeps, so just stay tuned and come on the journey. Still, see us. So people like me, I say when I reach, I get to know, get a little view from what I on the Virgin farm. But Lord, Virgin not ears, so we don't get a full video. So just showing what I go on still. You know what I mean? It's a quick thing. Yeah, so like I tell you, reach at the farm. This is when this thing look like. Showing say it's a low budget. I tell you, this is a low budget farm. One of them fine stable setup. So all them pig here both we give birth soon. Where you see them down like that, a little dark. You get me? This month still Herbert Roye theme farm where I get a nice boy. Planning to give me virgin. So sorry about him.
Brown and white half limit.
Them look like say brown and white half limit.
Yeah.
So the brown and white one half limit. So it's about them.
No board no man. See one there. One border.
A white one there?
Mm-hmm.
Which one is?
How many boy one?
One.
Yeah, one boy may sell it.
So that one they give me?
One pig may sell it.
The white one they give me?
Yeah.
Okay. So people you get that white one in the corner where so we are looking for. Oh yeah? So see him have a next nice service boy, yeah?
Yeah. Young little boy too, you know.
You know, so remember that boy, yeah? Because we don't want to buy that boy, yeah?
Oh, Mr. Runner?
Yeah, I don't want to buy that boy, yeah?
Man, Mr. Runner come from. Young boy, just where they see him, that's all.
Yeah.
A pig.
I'm about 7 months, 8 months old.
I got 9 now.
You so I know say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got 9.
Yes, them money operation.
A film pig and pig at all.
Yeah. So you to get good pig. So you see the man operation. As me tell you, the low cost. I when me did out the animal. This man never throw up him operation. Because me and him they are the same category animal. So you see him have an next set of females this look seems like.
Yeah, but the boar, I never my boar, the boar. Oh. Never my service boar, it's a man service boar.
Okay.
The pig them look like they would have gone something, them not have comparing
to
bigger pig them pigger for them pig down there.
Oh, so they mean older than that set over
yeah, by far.
Okay.
So them wanna come like them a travel slow.
So maybe I have to just try to give them some boots that.
Yeah, I shot them.
You shot them? Yeah. Iron all and everything?
Yeah, I shot them with the iron make with the iron.
Oh, so then good then, so we have to just watch them?
Yeah, we have to watch them.
And see. So I'm going to tell you. See what I'm going to know. The animal here is kind of dark because under here, so look away.
No, And the male one that's like the jump up. Like
yeah.
I could have board no jump up.
Oh, but I think a first you go for
No, she just a pick with them, man.
Oh.
Yeah, but me never pull down, pull down.
Oh, so yes, she go on still.
She take back run with it, you know.
Oh, so she still left on.
Yeah, man, she a do it.
But people are that are going from Mr. Roye farm. So calico still, you not really go see that. You really go see much of that. So we have a come back, we have a throw our pig in. Probably just show you around him pen. Time of go work. So we can't have, you know, you can't have one income. I know the one can have him farm, banana, whole heap of things. It's Mr. Herbert Roye. When I good man them, I mean know we do pig. I mean, we just have to take on this morning come show you. It's not a lengthy video.
You do everything with pig.
Yeah, everything for pig. So baggy.
Is that the best way to translate that, bro?
Yeah, me know.
But it's a makeshift thing.
Yeah.
This is a boar, I get the boar. Young little boar this one. I don't know in the water. Young little boar this one.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Young little boar.
Nice boy.
Yeah.
I tell you.
Now I shot the black and white and I'm using my service boar later on.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Roye, that's some nice man. I'm telling you right through all of this when we downsize to minimal. Mr. Roye still have an amount of animal still. I'm not sure if yeah. Okay. Nice, a boy?
They want a boy.
You love boys, man?
Because you have to know, we buy boy outside.
Yeah, for service.
Anyone who go and see a nice breed dog, we buy a boy from him.
See, you hear that people?
Yeah.
So, the man say,
Go
anyway, him go.
and see a nice breed
See a
dog.
nice breed of boy.
Yeah, man, we can buy a boy.
Buy a boy.
Always I would buy a boy. Yeah. Him and one is a service street thing to you.
So you get him for your service?
Yeah. That was the colour of his father.
Oh, so
Yeah.
see that people.
Yeah, man. Young little pig too. 6 months ago.
6 months. So you say him nice, I'm away over 150.
Oh man, I'm about them, man.
You can tell us my way over 150 for the body condition and all of that.
Yeah, man, I'm have it, man.
But yeah, people, so that I go on for Mr. Roye farm. So, Mr. Roye, we are run left here now still, you know.
No problem,
So
man.
how you tell the people how you keep up with this now, man?
Well, it's hard, you know. Trust me, and
Feed expensive.
Yeah, feed expensive. I wish you know, I don't really feed pig feed.
Yeah.
A chicken feed, me do straight.
You hear that,
Yeah,
people?
chicken feed. Because when I find out what a chicken feed is more sweeter, you feed less to a pig, and I said result.
I hear that, people. So the money
Probably a better result to get to.
low,
Yeah.
low cost,
Yeah,
low
man.
budget. As
But
I
a bag
see.
of feed that I serve you. A bag of chicken feed or Caribbean that.
Okay. So
Yeah, man, a straight boiler ration. Man.
boiler ration
Yeah.
in feed pig. Me not know how that work out still, because I never tried that
Well,
yet.
the people, you know, Mr. But I vet them from, two vet from my pro come check me from my farm already. And I tell them, say, yeah, I never do that. I never buy a feed yet.
And what them say when
And
they
them I say, boy, Mr. Roye, keep on do what you're doing. Because your pig don't look good. I don't carry fat meat. Yeah, I'm just trying to put into the market, run down there. I just want to take up my phone and say, yeah, me have that.
yeah,
Yeah, I tell you, so I sell none now.
I come for them.
Everything. I don't sell fat pork.
So you hear that, people.
That's everything, yeah.
When I go hold up Mr. Roye time, because I tell you, say you have in construction job, you have to go to see him have him banana farm, when you pick them sometime, breadfruit, ripe them and give the pig them. But me I tell you, him have a low cost, so this is what we want. Low cost with big income, big profit.
No concrete block or
No
steel.
concrete block. When me have, you see me have halfway up on my farm,
Yeah.
this man I just straight
Strictly wood.
wooden
Yeah,
structure.
right, true, man.
Right through.
I have a problem, I raise up to 400 pounds.
You hear that?
Yeah.
You hear that? Repeat that to them.
Yeah, man, I raise up to 400 pounds again, I tell you.
400 pound, one.
One, 400 pounds.
400 pound.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, peace. We not go hold up Mr. Roye because he early and he need to go away.
Yeah,
So
man, I need to go out and
we need to, Yeah. So we are going to say bye now. So let's walk back and Mr. Roye, I'll give you some different things.
Yeah, man,
Walk and talk.
suppose you have a farm where you have 4 pig, four sow litter in your pen, and you want to move the pig them one time. To put them for a different look. It's best for you, spray them that time with one type of liquid. Spray everybody with one type of liquid. So everybody smell alike.
Okay.
Yeah. So nobody know where we come from.
Because now I'm going to put this pig with me pig take up from Mr. Roye now.
No, go work.
With some more pig. Because I'm not going to move him until the morning again. Tomorrow morning. I must say, Mr. that. Now I can't better. I know so you can put him with a bigger pig. Because the big pig not going to do him anything.
Protect him, but not team size pig.
Yeah.
Yeah, they might beat him.
Yeah, so we're not going to do that.
Yeah.
So you see Mr. Roye kind of know
isolation too.
Yeah.
When you go buy a pig from a different farm, better you put him in isolation for your time, man.
Yeah. Before you introduce him to
you
your...
know come off of my farm, we go on your farm.
Okay, so you hear them thing there.
Cause a lot of problem for your farm.
So you hear them thing there.
You understand?
So we just get a little last information.
Yeah, man, that's the thing, though, man.
Wyndham Livestock Farm.
Yeah.
We there now at Herbert Roye Farm. Pig farmer.
Yeah, man, the people in farm I know him.
Everybody know him.
Yeah, man.
Really. So,
yeah, man.
until then, peeps.
Yeah,
I'll see you again.
Bless.
Alright.